Temporary miscellaneous takeoff and importing from Epic. The first option we're going to look at is Quick Temp over here on the left under the Other Takeoff heading. Quick Temp is basically an option that lets you quickly enter something on the fly. We're going to put a dummy item in here, a make-believe item called a widget. Now this is something that we may not be ready to plug in a price for or a labor unit. We may have to call somebody later to get pricing. We may end up excluding it from the bid. We're not sure what we want to do with it yet. So by leaving it checked as open, it flags this item in the program so that when you run the reports, it'll stop and ask you for a price or a labor unit. We're just going to put in 5 for the quantity and just hit F2 to take it off. Now the other way to enter a temporary item is the second option called Temp Miscellaneous. Since we've already got an item here, we're going to hit Add to add a new item and hit OK. Now from this screen, we have the option to import from Epic. The Electrical Bid Manager standard program has about 10,000 items in the database. By going to Import, we can pull items out of Epic. Epic has nearly 2 million items, about 600 manufacturers, and from here we'll be able to import any of those items back into the program. Okay, let's see if we can get the screen a little bigger here. There we go. That'll work for now. Okay. An option here that might be useful is to look up a specific item, maybe a time clock. Maybe the manufacturer is Intermatic. By going to the folder with the M at the top, the blue folder, that allows us to look up by manufacturer. So we're going to select a little tab with an I for Intermatic, and then we're going to select or double click on Intermatic. Now in Epic, it tells you at the bottom of the screen there's 1,723 items under the Intermatic product listing. You could scroll through these to find an item, but that wouldn't be a very effective way to find something. In Epic, if we know the model or the catalog number, we want to select by catalog number over here on the left. So we're going to type in T2006. So there's the item we're looking for. Now another option with Epic is a link to the catalog page. We call this cat links. This little red Y here indicates that I can link into the catalog page over the internet. So by just clicking on it, it's going to go right to that page in the manufacturer's catalog. And there it is. Again, then in Epic, there's about 200 catalogs. They're online. They're updated as soon as the manufacturers update them. So I could print this. I could save it as a PDF file and print it later or email it to somebody. But it gives me those electronic images right at my fingertips very quickly and easily. I'm going to close my catalog page for now. And I'm going to export this item. The third button in from the right says Item Export. That'll take the item back into my estimating program, back into EBM. It fills in the description, the catalog number. It also fills in the prices, the trade price and the target price. The trade price is established by the manufacturer. In this case, it's Intermatic. It's like a list price or a suggested wholesale price. The target price is discounted from that. It's based on an average of what contractors actually buy this item for. You'll see in the video for the extensions where you can choose which column to use and how to even adjust the prices. The labor columns are left open when you import an item from Epic. Epic doesn't have labor units, it just has pricing. If you don't put the labor unit in now, it will prompt you later since it's checked as open. So we're just going to hit OK. And for the quantity, we'll leave it at 1. So temporary items can be things that you literally make up, like a widget. They can be things that you import from Epic. If you've got a particular model or catalog number, almost always you'll be able to find that item in Epic.